It's easier to focus on what's wrong and become a victim of doubt and depression. Ooh, yeah. But my people, I'm sure that we can win. Summon the courage and strength that's deep within. I know we shall be alright. We've got to win this fight now. We shall be alright now, yeah. We've got to win this fight now. Just keep focused and go for what you want. Don't listen to the people who tell you that you can't. 'Cause I know you got the talent, you really got the skill, my friend. But if you're feeling fed up, lift your eyes up to the hills and sing, we shall be alright now, yeah. We've got to win this fight now. I tell you, say, we shall be alright now, yeah, yeah. We've got to win this fight now. Eyes on the prize. Oh yes, we rise. We must conquer. We are stronger. I know sometimes it may be rough. Sometimes it may be rough. And you feel like you have had enough. You've had enough. You got to find the strength. You got to do it somehow. You've got to do it. You've come this far. You can't turn back now. Oh, oh, we shall be alright. Oh yeah. We've got to win this fight now. We've got to win this fight now. We shall be alright now, yeah. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. We've got to win this fight now.